All right, guys, lesson 60. We finished up our Power Up G today. We can flip that over to the back side. Check out our new concept, finding a fraction to complete a whole. It says sometimes we're given one part of a whole and need the other part of the whole. Consider this word problem. 1/3 of the students are girls. What fraction of the students are boys? So for that one, we have one whole, and it equals 1/3 girls plus some number. Now, most kids like to write it the other way. 1/3 plus some number equals 1. Now, the other day I taught you about listening to the denominator. The denominator is going to say, pick me, pick me. And we can make anything we want, but this one says 3, so let's change this to 3 over 3. Now, 1/3 plus some number equals 3/3. Remember, the denominators always stay the same, and so we got 1 plus something equals 3. 1 plus 2. So there are 2/3 of the class are boys. I'm going to show you a shortcut coming up, but let's check out the next page. Here's what they did. They did it in a chart here. They said, here we got thirds of the class, and this was girls, and so what's left? Boys and boys. And what is that? 2/3 are boys. Example number 1, Taya found that commercials make up 1/6 of the airtime of TV. If we got one whole of the airtime and we divide it into 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1/6 is commercials, what's left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/6 are not commercials. This is one way of doing it. Let's take a look over here. It says, in the science fair project, Nelson found that 6/7 of the mass of an apple is water. So we want the shaded part to be water, 6/7. So we got to count up ones that have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 7. They're all 7. Okay, well, this would not be 6/7. That's 7/7. This would not be 6/7. It's 5/7. Now this is 6/7 and this is 6/7. So which one is water? Nelson found that 6/7 of the mass of water is water. 6/7 is water. So this one is out. So our answer is A. All right. How about some shortcuts now? First of all, let's do it their way. Laxmi, I don't know, Bob, has read 1/4 of her books. What fraction of her books is left over to read? 1/4. Now they want you to go ahead and make this box, and they want you to divide into fourths. They want 1/4 there, and then they're going to ask what's left. 1, 2, 3. 3/4. Now here comes my trick. 1/4. Take the denominator and subtract the numerator. 4 minus 1 equals 3, and then keep that denominator. You got the same thing, but it's a little bit easier. Take the denominator, subtract the numerator, get your new numerator, and keep the denominator. Let's do B. It says 5/8 of the gymnasts were able to back handspring. Now maybe some of you guys in your head are already saying 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 3/8, done. Well, let's do the math on it. Back bending, girls. There's 5/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 can do back bends. And what does that leave us? 1, 2, 3/8 cannot. Let's do it Mr. Bauer's way. 5/8, take the denominator minus the numerator. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Keep the denominator. 3/8. Same answer, a lot less diagram. All right, C. If 3/5 of the spectators were rooting for the home team, then what fraction of spectators were not rooting for the home team? 3/5. 3/5 plus some number equals 5/5 or 1. And hopefully you could see it's 2/5. Let's do it Mr. Bauer's fast break way. 5 minus 3 is 2. Keep the denominator. Let's do it the Brooks diagram way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3/5, 1, 2, 3. And what's left? 1, 2/5. All right, guys, so 3 different ways. 1, you can do it the diagram way. 2, you can do it the missing add-in way. Or 3, you can do it Mr. Bauer fast break. Denominator minus numerator equals the new numerator, and keep the denominator. Stay tuned for a little math help.